Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are fine and healthy and enjoying the science class and not facing any difficulties for understanding the subject. In our last class, we have discussed about pressure exerted by the liquids, and today we will discuss about atmospheric pressure. So, let us start our today's class. The layer of air above the earth is called atmosphere, and which extends up to about 300 kilometers above the surface of earth. And the pressure exerted by atmosphere is known as atmospheric pressure. This atmospheric pressure is due to the weight of air present in the atmosphere above us, and this acts in all directions. We will now describe an activity to show the existence of atmospheric pressure. And in this activity, we will use atmospheric pressure to hold water in an inverted glass tumbler. For the activity, we have to take a tumbler and fill it with water. Cover its open end with a piece of cardboard. Then hold the tumbler in one of your hands and keeping the cardboard pressed tightly with other hand, just invert the tumbler with care. Then remove the hand holding the cardboard. What we will find? We will find that the cardboard does not fall off from the tumbler. So what is the reason why the cardboard is not falling down? Actually, here the atmospheric pressure acts on the cardboard in the upward direction, prevents it from falling. So what we can conclude? The upward atmospheric pressure acting on the cardboard is greater than the downward pressure of water on the cardboard. So just do this activity in your home. I am sure you will definitely enjoy to perform this activity. Next, we will discuss one more activity to show the existence of atmospheric pressure. For that, we will take an airtight tin container and we'll pour some water into it and let it boil. When the steam begins to come out of its mouth, just remove it from the stove and close its lid. After a few times, we will observe that as the tin container cools down, its shape is deformed. So what is the reason? Why the container is deformed while it is cooling down? Actually, the steam inside the container drives out the air from it, and as the steam condenses and changes into water, it creates a vacuum inside the container, and as a result, the air pressure inside the container is less than the atmospheric pressure outside, and which deforms its shape. Do you know why we do not get crushed? Though the atmosphere is applying a huge pressure on our body? Actually, the atmospheric pressure acting on our body from outside is balanced by the blood pressure from inside, and because of which we do not get crushed. Next, we will discuss some application of atmospheric pressure in everyday life. First, we will discuss the principle of drinking straw. When the lower end of drinking straw is dipped in the soft drink and we suck at the upper end of the straw with our mouth, the pressure of air inside the straw and in our mouth is reduced. But the pressure acting on the surface of the soft drink is equal to atmospheric pressure. So, the greater atmospheric pressure acting on the surface of the soft drink pushes the soft drink up the straw into our mouth. Now syringe, dropper, rubber sucker all work on the existence of atmospheric pressure. So what is the instrument used to measure this atmospheric pressure? Barometer is the instrument through which we can measure the atmospheric pressure. And barometer is of two types, mercury barometer and aneroid barometer. So this is the end of this chapter, that is chapter 11, force and pressure. In our next class, we will discuss the question and answers from this chapter. So this much is for today's class. Thank you.